This is lesson number 2 of song number 1 of Easy Fingerstyle Songs for Beginners. And this song is called Vacation Home. And don't ask me why I called it that. The only vacation home I'm going to be seeing is probably the broken down tool shed out in the back of our yard. So anyway, but I could dream, can't I? So hopefully the song is going to get you to kind of drift away and just take you somewhere else. So maybe that's a good reason for the title. Anyway, let's get to it. We're going to work on just the rhythm pattern. And this is not the song, this is just the rhythm pattern. So hope you have your guitar. Here we go. Okay, I hope you have downloaded the study guide. It's pretty much impossible to do this without looking at the study guide. We're going to play this whole rhythm pattern together, and we're going to be looking at the music chart, okay? I don't know if you want to print out the study guide or put the study guide up on your computer and look at this video. It might be easier to just print out the study guide. Well, anyway, we're going to the bottom of page 5, okay? And that has the music chart of just this rhythm pattern. We're not going to be adding any of the melody notes yet, okay? But we're going to be doing this rhythm pattern together. And this ought to be fairly easy for you guys because we've already went through finger picking for beginners, and hopefully you've taken the Let's Play Guitars together, okay? That's really important too, because that'll help make sense of all of this music notation that I'm throwing at you, okay? Be it all as simple as it actually is, okay? So what we're doing is, if you're looking at the the music chart for this song, you'll notice that we're doing each chord two times, 2 measures, okay? So let me just count this out for you, okay? If you're looking at the study guide here, you'll hear that we're doing measure 1, 1, 2, and then the E minor, 3, 3rd measure, 4th measure. So we're basically doing each chord 2 times, okay? And I hope you have your guitar with you, because we're going to go real slow. I'm not going to have a click track. We're just going to go and chant the rhythm part out, okay? So let's go real slow. Get your guitar, and we're going to count this off, and we're going to follow along with the music chart. And what we're going to do is, let's play this together. What we're going to do is, after we're done with one round of the music chart and play it all the way through, we're going to go back to the beginning, okay? And I also refer to the beginning of a song as the top of the song, okay? So I'll mention, we're going to go back to the top. So we're going to play this a total of 2 times around, okay? And here we go. Okay, so ready? I'll count this off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the top. So that's the music chart 2 times around, okay? So now, I think for some of you, that might have been a little fast, okay? Or maybe that was a pretty comfortable tempo. I had a hard time determining what I should show first. So let's go even slower with this, okay? Let's slow it down. And there's going to be certain things that we're going to do with this song when we keep expanding on it that's going to actually make some of these moves even a little bit easier right now. One of the difficult moves here is from the E minor to the G, getting that note to sound good, to jump on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to give ourselves a little bit of a grace note, okay, in the song that I'm going to show you. That's not until we get to the other videos here with this song. But for right now, we're just going to pounce on that G and try to play it in time as best we can, okay? So let's go just a little slower here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second measure. Third measure. Fourth measure. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Back to the beginning, top. 1. Second measure. Okay, so practice that and really get that down really well. Really have that pretty cold that you could be able to play that. Because what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be building on that foundation. Okay, we're going to be adding melody notes. And in this next video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to add one melody note and a very effective melody note to the A5 chord and the E minor chord. Okay, so that's going to be in lesson number 3. Now in the full course, we're going to be practicing and we're going to have more tempos to be able to play with just than what I just showed you, okay? Plus, we're going to have the tabs with that as well to make it even easier. And then I've got another big surprise. I have a music program that you can download too. Okay, so that's going to be in the full course. I'll tell you all about it. But anyway, I hope you continue with these lessons here. Let's go to lesson number 3. We're going to add a melody note.